Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install OpenJDK, which is the Java Development Kit, and also the Ghidra. I'm now in full screen mode in Kali. If you wanted to go back to the Windows mode, just hover your mouse at the bottom and this toolbar control will open up and click on this icon here. And you go back to Windows mode. I'm going to go back to full screen mode now. The other thing we can do is Host F. Host F is the right control on the keyboard, and F key will also take you back into Windows mode. So I'm going to open the terminal now. Click on this terminal here. And now we are going to do update to our package. Type sudo apt update, press enter. So key in the password for sudo, which is Kali, K-A-L-I, press enter, and now it is updating. We can go ahead and download the Ghidra. To download Ghidra, open your browser. You need to use a browser, so over here just look for Firefox. Press F to search Firefox and click on the Firefox to launch it. Okay, so now we will key in the Ghidra, press enter, and then click the first result that you get. Now you can download Ghidra. Click on the link here to download Ghidra. Click Save File, click OK. Now Ghidra has downloaded. Just click on this. Go to the download folder. Click on this, and this is the download folder. Now we extract it, so just extract here, right click and then select extract here. After extracting, there will be a new folder here. Just open it and you will see inside there is all the folders and files that are needed by Ghidra. Now we are going to copy this folder or move it to the OPT directory. So before that, I'm going to rename this folder. Right click, rename. Let's shorten the name, Ghidra 922. Right. So to move this to the OPT folder, I'm going to use the command line to do it. Open the terminal emulator. And then I will go to the download folder. And then I'm going to copy recursively the Ghidra folder to the OPT folder. Press enter. Permission denied. So I need sudo. So insert sudo in front and press enter. Key in the password again, Kali, K-A-L-I, and hit enter. So it has finished copying. Now we can close Firefox. And we are ready to launch Ghidra. So let's move to the cd/opt and ls to check the content of the directory, and you can see Ghidra is there. Now we enter the Ghidra folder, press tab for auto completion, and list the content of the directory. I will close the other terminal. So the content directory shows that there is a Ghidra run script here. So this is probably the one we want to use to run our Ghidra program. So to run it, just put a // type Ghidra, press tab, and type R, press tab, and press enter. So it's asking for the path to JDK home directory. So let us try to install Java since I could not find it on the machine. So I will type sudo apt install open JDK, and I have all this. So I'm going to go for now we are going to, so after you hit sudo apt install open JDK 11 JDK, key in the password for the sudo, and it is installing. So press on yes to install. Okay, now that it has finished installing, let's go to our OPT folder and enter the Ghidra folder again and run the Ghidra script. So Ghidra has detected the new Java which you have installed, and now we click on agree and success. So this is the first screen you see when you launch Ghidra. Alright, so we have successfully installed Ghidra, and this is the help file, and this is the tip file. Just click close. So that's it. So we have successfully installed Ghidra. To close, just click on the X button. Thank you for watching.